Starting a career can be an overwhelming experience, especially for those who find themselves at the bottom rung of the corporate ladder. However, the path to true success is not a straight shot. It is a winding journey, filled with hard work, setbacks, and continuous learning. Embracing this journey can lead to remarkable achievements, as illustrated by the real-life account of someone who transitioned from a customer service representative to the CEO of a major company. Right after college, he took on that first challenging role, immersed in the nitty-gritty tasks of answering calls, resolving complaints, and entering data. Yet, instead of viewing this job as menial, he approached it with an eagerness to learn. He made a point to understand the inner workings of the company, paying close attention to business operations and observing the leadership styles of those around him. Each day was seen as an opportunity for growth, where mundane tasks turned into building blocks for future success. He didn't wait passively for direction. Instead, he actively sought opportunities to streamline processes and contributed suggestions that enhanced efficiency. His proactive approach and commitment did not go unnoticed, leading to a promotion. After just 1 year to team leader, this new role came with its own array of challenges, including managing a team, meeting deadlines, and achieving targets. Embracing these challenges head-on, he viewed mistakes as invaluable lessons, utilizing resources such as books, training sessions, and mentorship from senior colleagues to fuel his personal development. As time went by, he climbed the ranks to become a department manager, where his responsibilities grew significantly. Planning, budgeting, and strategizing became daily necessities, and with them, the need for innovative thinking and strong leadership. His calmness under pressure and reliability earned him recognition within the organization. It was during a pivotal project, fraught with risk, that he truly shone. By stepping up to lead a critical initiative, working diligently with his team, he showcased his capability to contribute to the company's future, solidifying his reputation. Years of dedication culminated in an offer for a senior executive position, eventually leading him to the ultimate achievement, CEO. His success story underscores that it's not merely fortune that dictates career progression. Rather, it's the drive to show up, tackle challenges, and commit to personal and professional growth that truly paves the way to the top. His journey serves as a powerful reminder that with the right mindset, anyone can ascend from the bottom to the heights of success.